Hello, my dear children and viewers. So, here is the topic parts of speeches, which I already informed you all. So, let's start. You people could see in the tree that the 8 parts of speeches, there are 8 parts of speech, and all are given in the tree. So, I'm telling you the right sequence: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So this is the right way to study the parts of speeches. In this particular sequence it should be studied. So let's start. I want to tell you one thing, that in this particular video I'm just going to brief you one by one. Okay, in the upcoming videos we will study the detailed study of. Okay, in the detailed study we will understand the kinds of, the types of, with examples. So that will be separate video, detailed video, but here I'm just going to brief you. Okay, because time is a big constraint and I have to close the video within 10 minutes. Okay, so let's start without further ado. Okay, as I already mentioned that parts of speeches in the English language, English grammar is 8 types, and it indicate what it indicates that matters. Okay, it indicates its function, that how these words have the meaning, have the sense, and how they grammatically they frame, they make a complete sentence. Okay, without help of these 8 speeches, a sentence cannot be framed. Okay, we need to understand these things. So each and every part of a speech play a very important role in a particular sentence. Okay, one by one when we will study about each and everything, then we will understand its relevance. Okay, so let's start with noun. Noun, what is it? Comes in the brain. Noun is what? So noun is defined as the name of a person, the name of a place, thing, idea, or kind of a feeling. Everything comes in a noun. Okay, man, examples are man, Lee, John, table, computer, police, death, advice, Africa, sweets, hatred, jealousy, market. All these are examples of noun. Okay, so rest is examples in a proper sentence I gave you. These are the examples, particularly examples of noun. So you can relate it later on. You can pause the video and read the sentences also, noun in the sentences also. But here I'm just moving on the next slide. So pronoun, what is pronoun? Then occurs, a pronoun is defined as a word that is used at the place of noun. Okay, so at the place of noun means we need to replace noun with this particular word. We cannot repeatedly, we cannot use noun. Okay, suppose we are writing about a particular person, so everywhere we need to repeatedly use the name. So instead of using, so make it easy, make it crisp, we this grammar has given us the value, the importance of pronouns. So by doing that, by using pronouns, we can avoid using repeatedly repetition of the noun at every line, in every line. Okay, so John is a honest man. We need not to repeat John is a honest man and John is kind and a kind-hearted person. Okay, so instead of John is a kind-hearted person, we can use he is a kind-hearted person. Okay, so this is the relevance of pronoun in itself. Next is verb. Verb is, as we have studied, that action word. Okay, always in the simplest form we know that it is a action word. So it means what? That what the noun is performing, what the action of the noun is, that means that is verb. Okay, so some common examples are verb, reading, roared, visit, write, etc. So later on you people can try, you can read the examples, but here we are quickly covering all each and every topic. Adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is defined as, we have already studied, it's a describing word in the simplest term, but it tells the quality of the noun, pronoun. It tells the attributes of the noun and pronoun. So that way, the example is best, good, pretty, fast, clever, cheap, etc. Okay. Next is adverb. Adverb tells the quality. It qualifies adjective. verb and adverb itself. Okay, it tells the quality of adjective, it tells the quality of verb, it tells the quality of or qualify the, okay, describe adverb itself. Okay, suppose take one example, so slowly. So slowly means slowly is an adverb and it modifies slowly, so slowly. So is also adverb. Okay, so slowly means both are adverb. Okay, so in that way adverb qualifies adverb itself. Fine. So next is preposition. Preposition at its name preposition. Okay, pre and position, this is the combination of two words, preposition. So it tells, okay, the relationship between nouns, pronouns and other words like action words, verbs, etc. So sometimes they come before the noun. Okay, they are mentioning this, it is not mandatory they come in between, but sometimes they can come before the noun also. In, on, at are some of the preposition, on, upon, beneath, all that comes. Okay, so next slide, conjunction. The conjunction is merely a word which merely joins two sentences and sometimes two words. Okay, so what they are exactly telling, it is just a single word, merely a word. Okay, a word which connects two sentences or two words. Okay, that is called conjunction. Okay, example is and, still, either, or, only, to, otherwise, so, however, such, that, unless, at, until, as, unless, until, etc. Okay, so let's move to the last one, interjection. The interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotions. Okay, so our sudden reactions that comes in that, it is, you could see these interjections along with the exclamatory marks. These are called the exclamatory words. In example, you could see, oh, cause, how, wow, good, ouch, hey. So these comes in the interjection. So here I'm going to end the video with a positive and a strong and with a quotation that is, you are braver than you believe, you are stronger than you seem, and you are smarter than you think. So by this you can analyze this thing, that it is you who is responsible, that how you are taking yourself, what exactly you want to make yourself, what exactly you want to be in your life. Okay, so everything is just on you, because as I already mentioned in the video, that God helps those who helps themselves. Okay, so bye children, have a happy learning, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you and good night.